Hi everyone. Now I want to tell you about programming language Java part 4. Okay, let's go. The keyword this. The class book has two constructions. First, the second can be defined in terms of the first one, second form. An example, complex classes. Uh, uh, the methods add real increment just the real part of the receptor of the message with the value passed as argument. We must be careful if we want to create one complex number as a copy of the other. We can define a new constructors to avoid the problem. Example. Ingredients. Ingredients allow the define new classes by resing other classes, specifying just the differences. It's possible to define a new class, a subclass, by saying the class must be like other class, superclass. Example. In strengths hierarchy, object, string, book, abstract or collection, scientific book, novel, science fiction, crime. Ingredients constructions. Instance methods. New methods can be defined in the subclass to specify the behavior of the object of the class. When a message is sent to an object, the method is searched for in the class of the receptor object. If it isn't found, then it is searched for higher up in the hierarchy. Um, Instances. Instance of is an operator that determines if an object is an instance of a specified class. Book B1, new book, system out print ln B1 instanced of book. Get class. Get class return the runtime class of an object. Intents of and get class. Example. Packages. A package is a structure in which classes can be organized. It can contain any numbers of classes, usually related by propose or by ingredients. If not specified, classes are instead into the default package. The standard classes in the system are organized in packages. Import Java until or import Java until date. Pack package name is defined by using the keyword package as the first instructions. Package my book and package my book. Files have to be stored in the special directories accessible on the class path. Example use import this package and this code. Access control. Uh, it, it's possible to control the access to methods and variables from other classes with the modifiers public, private, and protected. Book, scientific book, novel, science fiction, crime. Access control. The default access allows full access from all classes that belong to the same package. For example, it's possible to set the proceeding condition of a scientific book in two ways. As B1 set processing or by just accessing the data members. Access control. Usually we do not want direct access to data members in order to QWERTY encapsulation. And now the processing conditional can only be asserted with the message. Access control. The same access control can be applied to methods. Where can initialization by call it from? Final and abstract. The modifiers final and abstracts can be applied to classes and methods. Final. A final class does not allow subclassing. A final method cannot be redefined in a subclass. Abstract. An abstract class is a class that cannot be instated. An abstract method has no body and it must be redefined in a subclass. Final and abstract. An example: the class IO board and the subclasses IO board, IO Ethernet board, and IO serial board. And that's all. Bye.